Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Motorola Moto G22. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store, and from here we'll need to search for an app. Write the Google Classroom. It's this app right here, we can install it. After our installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, click Get Started. Choose the account you want to use for this classroom or add another one. So I'm going with this one and clicking OK. From here, in order to join the class, click on this plus button and then join class. Enter the class code right here, which you should be provided with. After entering the class code, click on the join button and you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.